This photo backdrop board is super easy to use, and it comes with everything you see here. Let me show you how everything works. Comes with these brackets and these corner clips. So you're going to open up the backdrop board, and then you're going to take the corner brackets and slide them on. This just supports the board so that it stays open. Then you get to do the fun part, which is choosing the colors. And there are a ton of colors in this set. And the fun thing is, each one is reversible. So the colors you see always have something on the back. In this set, there's a good mixture of patterns and textures and also solid colors. So you can definitely find the color or the texture that you want. So once you pick your color, you're just going to slide it into the bracket. For the top one, you're going to use the corner clips to just clip on and secure it at the top. Super simple. And then you get to pick your bottom color, depending on what you're photographing or videoing. And then you're just going to slide it into the bottom bracket. If you get your color in and you're like, this doesn't really look like what I thought it was going to look like, you can always change it. That's the fun part. Simply slide the color out that you want to replace and pick another one. For this one, I'm just going to go with more of a gray, and so I'm just going to slide it into those bottom brackets, and then I'm ready to take my photos. When you're done, simply slide off the brackets and the corner clips, close the board, and you're ready to pack up. This set also comes with a cute little carrying bag so you can throw everything in there and keep everything together, and then you're ready to go.